Fucking dick. Hi. Hello. Hello people. Welcome back to another video. So I am heading into work again. So today I wanted to talk to you about, I've actually forgotten what I was going to fucking talk about. Trying to think now, I really can't think for the life of me today. Man, this vlogging stuff, it's making me all fucking rusty. Fuck. Oh my god, I can't think of what I was gonna fucking talk about. I like had it all planned as well just before I left, and now I fucking forgot. Oh, come on, 8-bit, think about it. Think about it. What you gonna talk about? Trying to think now. I'm sure it was to do with my next video. I can't, god damn it. I'm so goddamn frustrated now. I am really lost for words today. Shit. I am genuinely lost for words. Oh my god, I got amnesia today. I got vlognesia. I have got vlognesia. Oh yes, that's what I was going to talk about. I finally remembered. Nearly halfway through my fucking trip. So I've changed the settings a little bit just to give it a little trial and error. Fucking wanker. Oh, at least I know the fucking brakes work. Where was I before I was rudely interrupted? Fuck's sake. Right. Stabilisation. I have taken that off. If you guys are interested with the video without stabilisation, please let me know in the comment section down below. As personally, I do rather my videos with stabilisation. However, you do get more field of view. Not much. It's pretty decent. It's actually not too bad, to be fair. Fuck me, it's rammed down there. But I was looking back on it. I was looking back on the non-stabilised footage, which was in my last video, which you guys would have seen a few days ago, actually. There's not much of a reference point aside from this video now, which is why I wanted to talk about it fully with you guys. So let me know what you think about it, because basically the Hero 4 Black is actually a really good camera, and that doesn't have any stabilisation at all. Jareth uses that camera, so I thought it creates pretty good on par content, you know. Do you need stabilisation? Yes, it makes it easier to watch. However, some people might not even be bothered, but I do like the stabilisation feature and the hyper smooth of the 7 Black. So yeah, I just want to let, like, what's your guys' opinion? I would love to know. I'd be very interested on finding out. So yeah, I know it hasn't been much of a video, but to be honest, I'll probably select that clip back there then and upload that separately, just so I can get a bit of a viewer base from idiot drivers like that, because yeah, it tends to happen a lot in the evenings, to be honest. It's fucking annoying. And you could see there was a couple of points throughout the ride, you know, and I wasn't even going that fast because I come off the fucking roundabout, like, but it doesn't justify them fucking pulling out on me all the time. It does my nut in majorly. On a better note, I'll see you guys in the next one. Please like, comment and subscribe. And you could see there was a couple of points throughout the ride, you know.